Unraveling Slang. What does beat a rap mean? Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of slang and idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, beat a rap, and unravel its meaning together. So, let's get started and add another interesting expression to your English vocabulary. In English, slang and idioms are a big part of everyday conversation. They give color and personality to our language. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Slang is more about informal words or phrases that are usually understood by a specific group of people. Beat a rap falls under both categories. The phrase, beat a rap, originates from American legal jargon. To beat something, in this context, means to escape or to avoid. A rap refers to a criminal charge or accusation. So, when someone beats a rap, they successfully avoid punishment or escape conviction for a charge against them. It's not about music or rhythm here, it's all about dodging legal consequences. Let's see how to use beat a rap in a sentence. Imagine someone was accused of a crime they didn't commit. After the trial, they were found not guilty. You could say, John managed to beat the rap thanks to the evidence proving his alibi. It's a way to communicate that John escaped the accusation unscathed. This phrase is quite common in American movies and TV shows that revolve around crime and legal drama. Understanding such phrases is not just about the words, but also about the cultural context which gives these words their meaning. It's a peek into how the justice system has influenced language. And there you have it. Beat a rap is an intriguing expression that's tied deeply to the American justice system and its portrayal in media. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and perhaps even made your English learning journey a bit more exciting. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using idioms and slang like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!